Are you tired of manually scrubbing your bathroom, your walls, like your kitchen, whatever you need to scrub, even the floors? Is your hand like really tired? Let's use technology that has advanced and found us this electric spin scrubber. I'm going to unbox it, then show you how to use it. This is the manual. This is the first scrubbing head, second scrubbing head, third one. We have the charging cable. It's a special kind of charging cable. So we need to connect it through here and click. Let's get the head. Sorry. Also, sorry, I pressed. Where did I press? Oh, okay. I think we switch it on and off from here. Oh, I think that's the charging place. Oh, here. That's where we switch it on and off. Let's put the scrubbing head. Using the dome brush to clean the bathtub. Corner brush to clean up the corners and the edges of that. This is how I change from one head brush to the other. Large flat brush, you just like put it in. You switch it on, and this one really low. I hope you like my little video and stay clean.